Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. So now, why starting a YouTube channel will transform your entire life? Why starting a YouTube channel will change your life? Have you ever felt like your life is on repeat? Same routine, same days, same you as the person? Well, here's a good idea for you. Starting a YouTube channel might be the single decision that you completely transforms your life, and I mean mentally and financially and personally. But in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how this happens. I'm going to show you exactly why starting a content on this day and age can transform your life, how YouTube changes you as a person, your mindset, your confidence and your identity, and how you can create opportunities you've never imagined. And of course, finally, how YouTube gives you freedom, financial, creative and lifestyle freedom. If that sounds like you, please stay tuned, because once you hear this advice that nobody talks about, you will start uploading your first YouTube video. And I've experienced this because I've been waiting for quite a long time to just start my first YouTube channel and to start creating content online, because this day and age is literally full of content and you should start a YouTube channel. And I hope this video will motivate you to get it started and you stop waiting to be perfect. So first of all, how does YouTube change you as a person? I would say when you start uploading your first YouTube channel, the first thing that changes you is the first thing that you've even hit your first 100 subscribers or followers. Before I would say the first time you get paid, or even something powerful is start happening, you develop your confidence, you learn how to speak better, you learn how to speak or express yourself clearly. You become someone who takes action instead of waiting. Even if your first YouTube video is awkward, that's fine, because the starting point is always seems awkward and it seems rubbish at the same time. But trust me, well, how do you develop discipline? Suddenly you are learning how to write, how to edit, and even how to show up consistently, even if you don't feel like it. How to create something that is coming from nothing. And most people spend years watching creators spend hours doing nothing. You discover your voice, and of course YouTube forces you to figure it out, what you believe in, what you care about, and of course what message you want to participate with the world. You are just making videos. You aren't just making videos. You built thinking muscle, and that changes everything forever, to be fair. It changes literally everything, every decision that you make. How YouTube creates opportunities for you. Once you start creating something unexpected happens, people will start discovering you, and also like people you've never met, people who live in other side of the world, people who see something in you that maybe you didn't even see in yourself. Collaboration opportunities, new friends, community, and even business partners, job offers, even brand deals, and speaking invitations, and even coaching clients or customers. YouTube is a global resume that a digital business and a cart, personal brand builder, and all in one, because it's the second largest platform on earth. So you don't chase opportunities, opportunities chase you as a person. How YouTube gives you a freedom, I think a lot of people confused about it, and this is the part where it surprised a lot of people. YouTube just isn't just a platform, it's a freedom machine, financial freedom, and even YouTube pays you forever. A video that you upload today can still make money in 5 years. You can also earn from sponsors, like let's say ads revenues. You own your digital products, even coaching, or one video. 6 income streams, or a lot of it, is countless, to be fair. Creative freedom, you get to decide. You get to decide what you talk about, what ideas you explore, and even what stories you tell, and what impact you want to make. So you become your own boss, you become your own director, your own producer, and even your lifestyle. You can work anywhere, anytime, at your own pace, okay? You can build life that fits you, not around anyone, so you have a freedom to do whatever you want in life. And that's, I think, that's really the fundamental parts that nobody talks about, nobody realizes it. And if you're about to start a YouTube channel and you've been waiting for quite a lot of time, you've been waiting for a couple of years, starting a YouTube channel isn't just about uploading videos. It's about becoming a better version of yourself. It's about discovering your potential. It's about creating opportunities that never existed before. And most of all, it's all about freedom. So if you've been thinking about it, starting a YouTube channel, this is your sign. Pick up your phone, press record, and post something today. You'll feature yourself. Well, thank you. And I'll see you in the next video.